This comment is kung bakit daw may date yung mga hacker. Kasi diba sabi ko today, November 5, you have to be, yung aware sa mga cybersecurity attacks. Basta yung ganun, tingnan nyo na lang yung comment na to. So, ang dami nag-comment na, bakit may date? Nakakaloka if hacker ako. Hindi ko sasabihin ang dates. Okay. So, November 5, if you remember the movie V for Vendetta, it says there, remember the 5th of November. So this has been a tradition of hacker activists since 2011. It started in the UK. Ang tawag nila dito is Guy Fawkes Day. So ever since 2011, yung mga modern hacker or hacktivist groups yung tawag, they have adopted na yung November 5 is a symbolic date for cyber activism. Kaya lagi yan, every November 5, since 2011, yung mga activists, they just really hacktivists, they just really target a lot of government sites, and they're just really like bombarding, not necessarily just hacking, but just really disrupting. They would definitely try to hack some sites, but it's more of really disrupting the internet. Yan yung symbolism nito. So maybe before you comment as to may ganyan, bakit may date, kung hacker ako, ganyan, try to research more about why it's on the news, why people are talking about it, especially if you are a remote worker, if you are very active on social media, if you are a virtual assistant also, it's very important to know all about these things. Kasi ito na yung environment natin, ito na yung industry natin. So you need to be aware of security, cyber security, online security, and all of those things. So yeah, just due diligence lang din siya, diba? Research about your community, about online culture, so that you'll understand why these things are happening online. And then sasabihin ninyo, sa UK naman yan. Oo, sa UK siya nag-originate. But Philippines is one of the countries that is also targeted by these hacktivists. Or Philippines is an identified country that is targeted by these hacktivists since years ago, even prior to the pandemic pa. So ayun, I hope you learned something from here and keep safe online.